Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Spitzmiller. Before spring break, you were learning about adding groups of 10. This week, you learned about subtracting groups of 10s. Now, today, we're going to put it all together and talk about relating the addition and subtraction of 10s. You're going to see how working with addition helped you with the subtraction. It might remind you of fact families if you and your class learned about that earlier in this year. We're going to start by watching a brain pop to warm us up.
Cool stickers, Moby. How many do you have? Well, each sheet has 10 stickers. So you can skip count by 10 to find the total. How can you add 10s? Let's see. You've got 10, 20, 30 insect stickers. And you have 10, 20 flower stickers. How many do you have all together? Write a number sentence to help you find the sum. What is 30 plus 20? You can use a 100 chart to help you add. Start at 30 and add on 2 10s. 40, 50. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. When you're working with 10s, you can hide the zeros in the ones place to make it easier to add. Then you can bring back the zeros after you add the 10s column. What is 40 plus 40? I know that 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. That's a doubles fact and easy to remember. So 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. These are cool stickers, Moby. May I please have some? How can you subtract 10s? You have 80 fruit stickers. And you give me 20. What is 80 minus 20? You can start at 80 and go back 2 10s. 70, 60. 80 minus 20 is equal to 60. What is 50 minus 40? Hide the zeros to help you solve. I know 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. You can use what you know about adding and subtracting 10s to help you solve other number sentences. How can you add one more or one less than 10? You have 40 yellow stickers and 11 red stickers. How many do you have together? What is 40 plus 11? Well, I know that 40 plus 10 is equal to 50, but we're adding 11, which is one more than 10. So add one more to the sum to solve. 40 plus 11 is equal to 51. What is 30 plus 61? I know that 30 plus 60 is equal to 90, but we're adding one more than 60. So 30 plus 61 is equal to 91. Here you have 50 blue stickers and 9 red stickers. How many do you have together? What is 50 plus 9? I know that 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. But we're adding 9, which is 1 less than 10. So subtract 1 from the sum to find the answer. 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. How can you subtract 1 more or 1 less than 10? You have 40 bird stickers. Thanks, Moby. And you give me 11. How many stickers do you have left? What is 40 minus 11? I know that 40 minus 10 is equal to 30, but we're subtracting 11, so the difference is 1 less. 40 minus 11 is equal to 29. What is 70 minus 9? I know that 70 minus 10 is equal to 60, but we're subtracting 9, so the difference is 1 more. 70 minus 9 is equal to 61. Thanks for sharing your stickers with me, Moby. I think our friends would like some stickers too.
Awesome. So today, boys and girls, you are going to be working starting on page 491. It says relate addition and subtraction of tens. Use manipulatives to model. There are 50 people ice skating. I'm going to draw this out right here for you guys. There are 50 people. I'm going to draw 10 rods. So this is going to be a group of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 30 more people join them. 10, 20, 30. Now if they join, we're getting more. We are adding. How many people are ice skating in all? Write the number. All right, so let's count it up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 50 plus 30 gives you 80. Write a related subtraction problem. Explain how the number sentences are related. Okay, so boys and girls, when you add two numbers together, you get a bigger number. So when you start with subtraction, you have to take the sum, the answer from when you added to start. So I'm going to start with 80 because that is the biggest number. Now, when I subtract to make a related subtraction problem, it doesn't matter if I take 50 or if I take 30 next. I could do 80 minus 50 equals 30, or I could do 80 minus 30 equals 50. I'm just going to pick 80 minus 50 equals 30. Awesome. So now I have my addition sentence and I flip-flopped it and turned it into a subtraction sentence. This is very similar to when you have done fact families. It is just with subtracting and adding groups of 10. Okay? So, now when you go to the next page, see and show. Find 70 minus 20. To find 70 minus 20, use that related addition. Think. 20 plus 50 is 70. So if I know that, then I know the subtraction. So 70 minus 20 would also equal 50. It is a helpful hint. Now, if you need help on this, you know you can go to your manipulatives website, or on your e-learning today, there is, here we go, a hundreds chart. So I suggest that we look at this hundreds chart. If I was going to do number 1, 10 plus something equals 30. Well, to help you know that, let's do the bottom first. 30 take away 10. If I have my hundreds chart here, and I go and find 30, and I take 10 away, I'm going to hop back up 1. What number did I end at? I stopped at 20 here. If you need proof, let's count backwards from 30 till we get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I ended at 20. So on your work over here, if I know, ooh, that's a skinny little pencil line. If I know that 30 take away 10 is 20, well, then I know my related addition. Then I will therefore know 10 plus 20 equals 30. All right, boys and girls, so don't forget you can solve the bottom first to help you get the answer on the top. You can use the Manipulatives website. You can use your hundreds chart here. Good luck. I know y'all will do amazing. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope y'all are staying safe.